Breaking news that's coming in at the moment. The BJP is putting up a brave face before the Kejriwal planned expose at 5 p.m. this evening. BJP leader Balbir Punj says that the party has nothing to hide over the issue. All right, so the big bombshell this time from Arvind Kejriwal's side is going to be on none other than the BJP president Nitin Gadkari. The party is now bracing up for that eventuality, and let's listen into what Balbir Punj has to say.
हमारा पूरा का पूरा जीवन जो है वो पारदर्शी है। हमको कुछ छिपाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। हमने किसी भी सरकारी निकाय से कोई दबाव में कोई नाजायज लाभ नहीं उठाया है और हम लोग किसी भी जांच के लिए तैयार हैं। और अगर अरविंद केजरीवाल जी कुछ आरोप लगाते हैं तो हम हर आरोप का सटीक उत्तर देंगे। और हम लोग जैसे दामाद जी मैदान छोड़ के भाग गए और टीवी कैमरों के सामने नजर नहीं आते, हम हर आरोप का समुचित उत्तर देंगे।
Now, Atish Srivastava is now joining us with more details. Atish, what's the strategy like? Will we see everybody come out in defense of Nitin Gadkari if at all Arvind Kejriwal targets him today?
Well, Maha, one thing is pretty clear. It will be Nitin Gadkari who will probably address the media moment Arvind Kejriwal levels allegation against Nitin Gadkari, because he is a man who has made it amply clear that he's got nothing which is to hide. He was a businessman and he still remains to be a businessman. He has power plants, he had construction projects, but he's got nothing to hide because he's not taken favor from anyone. But no doubt about that, he is a worried man because second term is in question. If suppose there are serious allegations leveled against him that he took favors and he indulged into corrupt practices, then the anti-Gadkari camp becomes very active. And his second term, which has not just the elections has not started in the BJP, the organized election has not yet started, and that can become a huge matter of concern for Nitin Gadkari because such kind of allegation will not be going down well with the party. Because if you are fighting against corruption, if you are want to become a party which is going to be a crusader against corruption, then your leader, the head of the party, has to be clean. And in fact, if you remember, LK Advani during Suraj Kund clearly said that if we level allegations against anyone else, then we ourselves need to be clear and clean. And if there are allegations and serious ones against Nitin Gadkari, then it becomes very difficult for him to extend his another term.
All right, and that's why that is the cause of worry for Nitin Gadkari at the moment. 5 p.m. things will be clear. Many thanks, Atish, for getting us those details. In fact, the Congress has been at the receiving end of Arvind Kejriwal's attack over the past few weeks. Today, it's the turn of the BJP to face the music. Kejriwal is all set to expose the BJP's national president, Nitin Gadkari, today. As Kejriwal prepares his charge sheet, the stage is set for an all-out face-off with the BJP. Sources close to the activist have hinted it might be both BJP's Gadkari and NCP's Sharad Pawar on the irrigation scam in Maharashtra. Now, to prepare for Kejriwal's bombshell, the BJP has gradually nuanced its support of the activist's expose, even avoiding targeting Congress directly over Kejriwal's allegations against Khurshid's trust. Sources say the party is all set to back Gadkari to the hilt based on the IAC's revelations. In the latest, Arvind Kejriwal once again hit out at the BJP on Tuesday, saying that his expose will target not just Gadkari but several other top politicians.
ये देश के लिए बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात है क्योंकि आज ऑपोजिशन में कोई भी नहीं है। देश की सबसे बड़ी ऑपोजिशन पार्टी के अध्यक्ष अगर सत्ता पक्ष वाले लोगों के साथ मिलकर बिजनेस करेंगे तो फिर पक्ष और विपक्ष दोनों के बीच में कोई अंतर नहीं रह जाता और इस देश के लोग किसके पास जाएं।
Well, the key figure in Kejriwal's campaign against Gadkari is Anjali Damania, and India Against Corruption activist who had previously lashed out at the BJP president over the Maharashtra irrigation scam. Damania had claimed that Gadkari had asked her to go slow against the then State Home Minister Ajit Pawar over the scam because of his business dealings with Pawar.
जी, गडकरी जी का नाम 2 बार आया था। पहली बार वो जब अरविंद जी ने उनके घर पर एक बार जब ढाबा बोला था तब, और क्योंकि उन्होंने कोलगेट में भी कहीं ना कहीं उनका हाथ है, और इरिगेशन स्कैम में जैसे मैंने कहा था ये तो मेरे साथ हकीकत में हुआ है, तो उन्होंने क्लियरली कहा था कि मैं इरिगेशन स्कैम में कुछ नहीं कर सकता। तो ये क्यों हो रहा है? जब वो ऑपोजिशन पार्टी के प्रेसिडेंट है तो उनका काम है, उनका फर्ज बनता है कि वो एक्सपोज करे इस प्रकार के स्कैम्स को, और वो क्यों नहीं करना चाहते, यही हम आज आगे लाना चाहते हैं।
Well, while the BJP is apprehensive over what Kejriwal is going to reveal, supporters of Gadkari find the timing of the expose to be suspicious, believing that it is aimed at thwarting Gadkari's bid to get elected as president for a second term, something which several other leaders were not reported to be happy about.
कल जो कुछ, अरे भाई आज की तारीख 16 है, 16 के बाद 17 आएगी, 17 को शाम होगी, पहले सुबह होगी, फिर दोपहर होगी, फिर शाम होगी, फिर आप भी मिलेंगे, हम भी मिलेंगे, उसमें क्या है?
मैं ये देख लूं कितने ईमानदार हैं वे गडकरी जी के खिलाफ बोलने में। अगर गडकरी जी के खिलाफ बोलने में उनकी नीयत मुझे साफ दिखती है तो ठीक है, अन्यथा मैं उनसे कुछ प्रश्न पूछूंगा।
Senior editor Javed Ansari now joins us with more perspective on that story. Javed, the Congress has constantly been calling Arvind Kejriwal and company Team B of the BJP. Will today's expose take that tag away then from the IAC?
Well, it will depend on what Mr. Kejriwal comes up with and what he has to say. And while Congress may have its own reasons for its own political reasons, maybe willing to tag Arvind Kejriwal as the B team of the BJP, the fact is that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is trying to carve a niche out for himself, a position for his party which is distinct from both the Congress as well as the BJP. Of course, he has been targeting the Congress a lot more, but that also could have a lot to do with the fact that it's the Congress which is in power, and therefore the one that is in power gets the most attention, both positive as well as negative. But all eyes will be on Mr. Kejriwal and Mr. Prashant Bhushan this evening on what they come up with and how they try and decide to target the BJP president.
Javed, apart from the BJP, the NCP might also be targeted today. What is their strategy going to be like?
But it will all depend on what Mr. Kejriwal comes up with. I'm sure they must have, they've had prior warning, and like all of us, they must have, they must be ready with a cogent answer. They have a battery of lawyers, they have a battery of advisors, and they'll come up with a calibrated response. We'll have to wait and see what they say, because after all, whatever stand that you come, whatever allegation you level, that has to be substantiated. And I'm sure both all those who've been charged or allegations have been made against will make this point and make it forcefully that these charges are nothing but charges, but nothing but allegations, and they need to be substantiated. Until they are not substantiated, they should only be taken as mere allegations and nothing more or nothing less.
Also, after targeting the Congress, now Arvind Kejriwal's target is going to be the BJP and perhaps the NCP as well. Javed Ansari, many thanks for shedding light on that story.